Hello everyone, my name is Oscar Silva and I'm going to go through some tips to use Project LIbre. This is a great option and a great tool to use instead of Microsoft Project. So I'm going to start by creating a new one. I'm just going to name this one example. The manager, I'm just going to write down my name, and notes is optional as you can see. Let's just click OK. And once we are in our dashboard, I'm just gonna go and add some tasks right here. Let's say summary, and then I can go through design, development, oops, development, documentation, test, and rollout. And here, as you can see, we have some question marks regarding the duration of each of these tasks. So what we have to do is just click on them and then just put the duration we think it will last. So for example, the first one, it's 10 days. For the second one, let's just write 5 and 3, and for the last one, we'll finish our milestone. So let's just put 0 days, and it will show you right here a little diamond shape figure. So once we have all these tasks right here, what are we gonna do is link all of this. So to do this, we just have to highlight all of them, and what we have to do is simply go to the task tab and click on link. This will help us to have a better view of this task, and as you can see, it will display something like this instead of doing it manually. But if you prefer doing things manually, you can just simply grab one and link it to the task you would like to be linked to. Okay, so once done this, what we could do is we can create a summary structure. And to do this, what we have to do is also highlight all these tasks, and we have to do again to the tasks tab. And instead of doing it by one again, we have to just click indent, and it will create this little tab right here. So you can just collapse and expand as you wish. And but if you're not sure about this, we can also go to these little two buttons right here. You can redo and undo as many times as you want to. So for example, if I'm not sure, I can just, if you saw that, you can just see that our structure is gone. But if you want to get it back, then you just have to click redo again, and it will show it on our dashboard. Now, if we go to the view tab, we'll see right here that we can filter our activities. And if we would like to see only our critical tasks, we just have to choose this filter right here, and it will show our critical tasks. And if we do not want to see, for example, in progress tasks, we don't have any. And if we want to go back to the default structure, we just have to go again and click on no filter. Then we have a lot of other presets right here. We have, for example, the start date, finish date. We have also the predecessors and the resource name, but we're gonna go through that in a couple of minutes. Now, so for example, if we go right here and we right click on it, we have the option to insert a column. I'm just gonna choose one of these, I'm just gonna go through a basic text line. Where is it? Okay, so text, let's choose text one right here. Okay, and once we're here, we can rename it. I'm just gonna put down the reference number, for example, and this could also be, I don't know, something about your uh, order number or just your task reference, something like that. Let's just put XB1234, for example, and then you have it. This is just for internal purposes. And now if we are here, we can just click on right click and double click, and then we'll have to go to the advanced. And if we have any constraints regarding time, we can just say, for example, it must start on a specific date. Have to do the date right here and click OK. Now, as you can see, we have a little tab right here that will display some information. Now you have to be careful right here, because if you have some time constraints within your project, it may affect the other tasks within. So just be careful and be mindful of the dates you're choosing. Now let's just go through the resource. We can add just yep, we are right here, and let's just add some resources to our project. So for example, I'm just gonna call in Dave, just gonna call in Bruno, and I'm just gonna call, I don't know, Philip, let's say. Now we have to go right here down to the down to a resources tab. Sorry, oops, where's it? Right here. Okay, sorry. Let's go down to our Gantt. And once we're here, let's just assign some of the resources. So for example, if I want to assign resources, I'm just gonna say, okay, so Dave and Bruno are gonna go through the design phase together, and as you can see, their names are gonna appear right here. For development, same thing. I'm just gonna assign resources and say, okay, so Bruno is gonna take care of this right here all by himself, and that's it. As you can see, Bruno has been added right here. And if we go to this tool right here, which is an Instagram, we can go and see our resources and how are they being managed right here. So for example, if we choose Bruno or Philip, as you can see, Philip is not assigned to any of the tasks. Dave still has some time on the project right here, but still is not available. On the other hand, Bruno is also selected for both of the items right here, so he's being selected. And yeah, that's practically all for this video. I just wanted to show you real quick a couple of tools that you can use and apply to your future projects using this software. And see you on the next time. Bye. Thank you.